Alright, so what I got here is the signal wire coming from the cold start relay. That's plugged into one end of my meter. And I've gone through and I've ohmed out all these wires, every pin in that plug, and I have open circuits on all of them. I found one that gives me 51,000 kilo ohms resistance, and it will kind of move around a bit if I move the harness. That seems a little odd to me. Not actually sure where that wire leads to. I have to look at a schematic. But when I plug the other end of this in and reference it to machine ground, which I'm doing right now, and then I go and I plug the connector in to the ECU, and I start to screw it in. And I start to screw in the connection. This reading will actually go to like 2 ohms. Especially if I take and just move this harness around a bit. So see, I'm at 15 ohms now when it's plugged in. And the other side of that signal wire goes through right here, and I've disconnected it from the relay and the grid heater, kind of eliminating all that as, you know, a potential for where the short could be occurring. I plug it in, the reading doesn't change either, so I don't think it's on the relay or the grid heater side, but it's kind of weird. I can't make sense of what's going on with that. It's almost like I got a wire-to-wire short, and when I plug it into the ECU, the wire it's shorted to is grounded through the ECU, and then it grounds. That's all I can think of. Let me know what you think.